What up everybody, and this is your boy Talent Magelo, and I'm the CEO founder of AFTA. If it's for the first time here, don't forget to hit up the subscribe button and the notification bell, like and also comment below. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You know what it is, the market makes sense. Yes sir. So guys, in this video you'll be able to know more about Forex trading and how to approach the market in a better way as a professional trader. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's just get into it. So guys, another thing, this video is about strategy 1.0. so yeah, we are using strategy 1.0 plus a free course so that you can be more profitable in the market. So yeah man, please watch until the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Angela, your mentor, signing out. And we're back again guys. Angela, your mentor, signing in. So guys, like I did made a promise in a previous video that I'm going to reveal a new strategy, which is AFTA Strategy 1.0 plus a free course. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. So how do we approach the market using this strategy? So first and first that we do, we change our chart from candlesticks to a chart line. As you can see for yourself, we are already into a chart line. Another thing that we do, where we have to find our high and low. So this is my high on a daily time frame. As you can see, this is my high, and then this is my low over here. Okay, yeah, this is my low over here. So what we do next, we look for our primary trend. So our primary trend, it will help us to find the market overall. So as we can see, the market overall is telling us that we are already buying. We are in a buying momentum. As you can see for yourself, this is our support, and we also have our resistance over here on this primary trend, which is our trend channel. As you can see for yourself, this is our resistance over here. So we already know that we are looking for buying opportunities on daily time frame. So what we do after in here, we use price action, where the price has been testing multiple times. So this is how you apply price action. Let me show you. Price already here tested multiple times and gave us beautiful entries. As you can see on the buying momentum, we are looking at the breakout and retest over here. This is how, let me just turn it to a candlestick. As you can see for yourself, let me just put it in a good way so you can understand. Let me just show you. You see, we had a beautiful breakout and a retest, and the market went up and came back again to test the same exactly support over here, and already went up and gave us another new breakout and a retest over here, and another breakout and a retest over here. No, not there, here. Yeah, the market broke from this fair value gap, went up, came back with the retest, and then boom, we went up until our high and came back with another retest. So you see that we are buying over here and look for buying opportunities, and we still have to wait until this fair value gap. So this is our setup for our daily time frame, which is a swing move. You have to have patience for this kind of trades. So yeah, this is how we move on a daily time frame. As you can see, this is how we move, but let's dive deeper and see what's happening in the smaller time frames like H4 and H1. As you can see for yourself, it's still the same thing, but I'm already seeing my secondary trend over here. So this is my resistance, as you can see for yourself here. Let me just put it like this on my secondary trend. This is my support, support, sorry guys, and this is my resistance over here. So as you can see for yourself, if you want to scalp like scalpers, you can also use price action to find beautiful proper entries. So yeah, you can just also take your trade here. After I break out and retest, I could have took this trade, but I wasn't there to analyze it. But as you can see, we just had a new breakout and a retest. Let me just switch to candlesticks. As you can see for yourself, you see breakout, retest, multiple rejections over here, and the price did went up, as you can see for yourself. So yeah, this is how you analyze. Surely even on 1 hour it's the same thing. Okay, on 1 hour, if you need to find a new trade, just look for a fair value gap, and then boom, you take a trade. Look at this beautiful buy. Wow, this thing is easy. You just need consistency and discipline, and don't be afraid to lose money, because if you're afraid to lose money, then I guess money will control you. Just have to have patience. Don't be afraid to fail. Failing, it means you have to learn. So yeah, it requires patience here and bravery. So yeah, man, trading is not for everyone. So yeah, just move back to our daily time frame. So this buy from 1 hour, I'm expecting it to reject on this high over here. So once we reject, I already know that if we break this high over here, we are buying after a retest on this equal high. Or if we reject, then I guess we are going to sell until this fair value gap that we left over here, because you're already buying strong after rejecting on these fair value gaps. As you can see here, first fair value gap over here, and a fair value gap over here. Even here where the buying orders became strong, let me just show you here. See, fair value gap. So yeah, this is strategy 1.0. It's easy for swinger traders and even scalper traders. Hope you find this very helpful. Have a profitable week. Najela Yumento. And we're back again, guys. Najela Yumento signing in. So guys, like I did made a promise in the previous video that I'll be able to cover the course whereby it will cover introduction to Forex. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into it. The first thing first, what we need to focus on is to know what is Forex. And Forex, it is called foreign exchange in full name. You can also trade 24 hours a day. The Forex is larger than all other financial markets, which is true. Forex trading is the first wonder of the world. The foreign exchange market is a cash interbank market established in 1971 when floating exchange rates began to materialize. This market is the arena in which the currency of one country is exchanged for those of another, and where settlements and international businesses are traded. The Forex group of approximately 4,500 currency trading institutions, including international banks, government central banks, and commercial companies. Payments for exports and imports flow through the foreign exchange market, as well as payments for purchases and sales of assets. This is called the consumer foreign exchange market. This is also a particular segment in the Forex companies, which have large financial exposures to overseas companies participate in the Forex to offset the risk of international investing. Historically, the Forex interbrain market was not available for small speculators with a previous minimum transaction size and often stringent financial requirements. The small trader was excluded from participation in this market. But today, market maker brokers are allowed to break down the large interbank units and offer small traders the opportunity to buy or sell any number of the smaller units, which is true. You can also start trading with only 50 rands, but you have to know and understand the leverage and the impact of a lot size. So yeah, let's just move. Commercial banks play two roles in the Forex market. Number one, they facilitate transactions between two parties, such as companies wishing to exchange currencies, which are consumers and the others. Sorry, guys. Number two, they speculate by buying and selling currencies. The banks take positions in certain currencies because they believe they will be worth more buying if buying long, or less if selling short, which is true. You have to buy long and sell short. That's how the market runs. For example, let's say we are in a buying trend. Obvious, you know that we buy long, we sell short on a retest as a correction, and then we buy long. It's like impulse correction, impulse. I will explain that in the markets. So let's move to number three. Number three, what do they say? The third category of the Forex includes various countries' central banks like the US Federal Reserve. They participate in the Forex to serve the financial interest of their economy. When a central bank buy and sell its or a foreign currency, the purpose is to stabilize their own currency's value, which is true. The Forex is so large and composed of many participants that no one player, even the government central bank, can control the market, which is true. No one can control the market. Even if you can become the president, you won't control the market. You just follow the markets. Those are the rules. In comparison to the daily trading volume averages of 300 billion in the US Treasury bond market and the approximately 100 billion exchange in the US stock market. So guys, thanks for watching this. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with me, but I think I'm sick. So yeah, thanks for watching. Achora your mentor signing.